This is Professor Dare Science. Pareto chart. This video shows how to create a Pareto chart in Microsoft Excel. A Pareto chart is a column chart where the largest column appears first as you read from left to right, and they go in decreasing size. The data needed to create such a chart, you need two dimensions, the horizontal, which identifies the bars, and the vertical identifies the size of each bar. In this case, the job source is the horizontal, the bars or columns, and the frequency is the vertical dimension, the frequency of occurrence of these things. It's important to get the Pareto chart that you organize this table where the largest frequency is first, and then they descend in order here. To create the chart, you will select the data. That's why it's in blue. You have to enter it and then select it. And then you will do Insert. Go over to the charts. Notice it says here that the chart type will be a 2D column, clustered column. Here's the columns right here. So it'd be a 2D, and this first one, as you can see, is a clustered column. I'm not going to insert it. It's already been inserted. After you insert it, you can move it or resize it and have access to the chart elements here. I added axes titles to the chart, and I also added data labels. And after those were added, you can edit them and go in and edit things. I edited the chart title as well, just to say this general Pareto chart title. So this is a powerful tool. It would be a lot of work, and it wouldn't look very professional to do this, to draw it and scan it by hand. And as you change data, also here the chart, something we should notice, we have 59 here. If I change that to 80, hit enter. Notice that this is a live chart. It responds to changes in the data. Control Z to put that back how it was.